Alright, so let's go for a new paper today. So MAT 2012 and question 1A, which are following lines as a tangent to the circle with equation x squared plus y squared equals 4, well, which is a circle with radius 2 around origin, right? And which are following as a tangent. Okay, so as usual, picture, okay, just, whenever you have some coordinate geometry or any equation thingy, okay, draw a picture, okay, it doesn't have to be accurate, but just as long as you could visualize what's happening. Okay, alright, so which of the following lines is a tangent? Fine. Okay, so my preferred method for this question is just to eliminate the silly options, right? Okay, for example, let's start from the dumb option, like x equals to root 2. Okay, where on earth is that? Like that. Okay, because these intercepts are like minus 2 and 2, right? So root 2 is smaller than 2, so oh no, why am I writing the square root there? Okay, so x equals to root 2 is there. Well, obviously it's not a tangent, right? It's cutting through the circle. Okay, so C is wrong. All right. Okay, so good that we got rid of one already. Okay, what next do we want to get rid of? Okay, let's say x plus y equals to 2. Okay, what does that look like? X plus y equals to 2. So well, y equals to minus x plus 2. So line looks like that. Yeah. I don't think anyone would disagree. Okay, so x plus y equals 2. Okay, again, it's cutting through a circle, right? It's cutting through a circle, so that's no good. All right, so A is no good as well. Fine. Okay, next one. How about we have a look at D? Okay, so y equals to root 2 minus x. Okay, so root 2 minus x. So it's probably there. It's even worse than A, right? Because A is like y equals to 2 minus x basically, right? Now it's root 2 minus x. The y-intercept is even lower. That's even worse, right? It's cutting into the circle even further. All right, so D is no good. Okay, well that leaves B as the answer, right? But for the sake of completeness, let's try to prove it, right? So y equals x minus 2 root 2. Okay, somewhere there. Okay, why is it a legit tangent? Okay, so if it was a legit tangent, then we know that the radius is 2 here, right? And it should be perpendicular, right? So if that one was 2 root 2, I mean minus 2 root 2, and that intercept there would also be 2 root 2, right? There's no doubt. Okay, so in that case, by Pythagoras, this length is 4, right? By Pythagoras, because 2 root 2 all squared plus 2 root 2 all squared, that is 16, right? So square root of 16 is 4, fine. And you see that by considering the area of the triangle here, a half times 2 root 2 times 2 root 2 is indeed equal to a half 2 times 4, right? So that proves that it is a tangent and is perpendicular and is a legit triangle, right? The line does touch the circle. Okay, so that proves that as a tangent. Okay, well I guess there are like 1 million ways to prove that as a tangent, and this is one of the ways that came to me just now. All right, so if you've got another way to prove it, comments, do whatever you like. All right. As long as you can prove it. Okay, so yeah, answer is B. Okay, simple question to start with. Great.